Today marks one of Illinois' deadliest tornado disasters ever. Before Doppler radar, before phone alerts, before warning apps, one tornado tore through towns with almost no warning. On May 26, 1917, central Illinois was hit by a violent tornado disaster. The storm moved across parts of Illinois for hours, and the worst damage came in Mattoon and Charleston. At the time, people did not have the warning systems we have now. No radar loops on their phones, no emergency push alerts, no live storm chasers, no tornado sirens the way we know them today. For many people, the first real warning was the sky changing, then the wind, then the roar, and by then, it was almost too late. The National Weather Service says this became Illinois' third deadliest tornado disaster on record. 108 people were killed across central Illinois, almost all in the Mattoon and Charleston area. About 638 people were injured, and the strongest damage through Mattoon and Charleston was later rated F4 intensity on the original Fujita scale. That means the tornado was strong enough to destroy well-built homes, rip apart neighborhoods, and leave entire sections of town unrecognizable. In Mattoon, the tornado struck the northern part of the city. Homes were destroyed, buildings were torn apart, debris covered the streets, families searched through wreckage, looking for people who had been inside only minutes earlier. Then the storm continued toward Charleston. Between Mattoon and Charleston, farms were hit, buildings were damaged or destroyed, and in Charleston, the tornado brought more destruction, more injuries, and more loss. The worst part is how different life was in 1917. Today, we can watch radar, we can see warning polygons, we can get alerts in seconds. Meteorologists can track rotation before a tornado even touches down. But back then, people had almost nothing. No real-time radar, no modern forecast models, no instant alerts, no way to know that a violent tornado was heading directly for town until it was already there. That is what makes this story so haunting. This was not just a storm. It was a disaster that arrived faster than people could understand. One moment, it was a normal May day in central Illinois. The next, homes were gone, streets were filled with debris, families were separated, and two towns were changed forever. For years, people believed this may have been one incredibly long-track tornado, stretching hundreds of miles. But later research showed it was likely a family of tornadoes, with the Illinois portion stretching around 100